welcome back to Channel Auto Road Review. Today we are bringing you a detailed and exciting look at the stunning 2026 BMW M9 TURBox in an eye-catching red color. This car represents the future vision of BMW's high-performance luxury lineup, combining aggressive design, cutting-edge technology, and extreme power into one bold package. From the very first glance, the BMW M9 TURBox feels like a machine built to dominate both the road and the spotlight. Let's begin with the exterior design, because this red BMW demands attention instantly. The deep red paint finish looks rich and premium, perfectly highlighting the sharp edges and muscular curves of the body. At the front, the redesigned kidney grille appears wider and more aggressive, framed by ultra-slim laser LED headlights that give the car a fierce and modern expression. The sculpted front bumper features large air intakes that are not only stylish but also functional, improving airflow and cooling for high-performance driving. From the side, the long hood, low roofline, and wide stance give the M9 TURBox a powerful and athletic profile. Large M-specific alloy wheels wrapped in performance tires enhance grip and road presence. At the rear, the quad exhaust system, carbon fiber diffuser, and sleek LED taillights complete the look, making this BMW look just as impressive from behind. Step inside the cabin and you are welcomed into a world of luxury mixed with motorsport DNA. The interior of the 2026 BMW M9 TURBo6 clearly designed with the driver in mind. Premium leather upholstery, Alcantara surfaces, carbon fiber trims, and metal accents give the cabin a high-end and sporty feel. The seats are deeply bolstered, offering excellent support during aggressive driving while still remaining comfortable for daily use. Red contrast stitching across the seats, dashboard, and door panels perfectly matches the exterior color and adds a bold character. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, displaying speed, performance, data, navigation, and driving modes in crystal-clear graphics. The large central infotainment screen runs BMW's latest software, offering smooth connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control, and advanced navigation. Ambient lighting, a premium sound system, and advanced climate control make the cabin feel luxurious and futuristic. Now let's talk about performance, where the BMW M9 TURBox truly earns its name. This car is expected to feature a high-output turbocharged engine paired with advanced performance technology, delivering massive horsepower and torque. Power is sent to all four wheels through BMW's intelligent iDrive system, ensuring maximum traction and control in all conditions. Acceleration is incredibly fast, pushing you back into your seat as the car rockets forward with confidence. The adaptive M suspension automatically adjusts to road conditions, offering a smooth and comfortable ride in daily driving while transforming into a sharp and responsive setup in sport and track modes. The steering feels precise and direct, giving the driver full confidence at high speeds and during tight cornering. The high-performance braking system provides strong and consistent stopping power, even under extreme driving conditions. Driving the 2026 BMW M9 TURBox feels like having multiple cars in one. In comfort mode, it behaves like a refined luxury sedan, quiet, smooth, and relaxed. Switch to Sport or Sport Plus, and the personality completely changes. The throttle becomes sharper, the suspension stiffens, the steering tightens, and the exhaust note becomes louder and more aggressive, delivering an emotional and thrilling driving experience. When it comes to pricing, the BMW M9 TURBox sits at the top of the lineup. Expected pricing could start in the high premium range, depending on market and customization options. While it is not designed for everyone, this car offers exceptional value for those seeking extreme performance, luxury, and advanced technology in one package. Overall, the 2026 BMW M9 TURBox in red color is a bold vision of the future. It delivers stunning looks, a luxurious and tech-filled interior, thrilling performance, and the unmistakable character of BMW's M division. This car is built for enthusiasts who demand power, style, and prestige every time they hit the road. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to China Auto Road Review for more exciting car content coming your way.